How to change Instagram username without losing followers. So for that, what you should do is simply tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner right here. Then from here, what you're going to do is tap on edit profile. Then we'll get into username right here. Simply tap on username. Then you'll be able to change your username. So in here, you have to remember that you cannot actually change your username once you have changed it for another 14 days. So if you do it right now, you won't be able to do anything with it like until the 14 days has passed, right? So simply you can write in your username just like this, and all you need to do is tap on done. And in here you can see my username is already taken. If your username is valid to Instagram, you will be able to do it by simply tapping on done, and just like this you will be able to change your username on Instagram. So if you do not want to lose followers, you should let all of your followers know that you have actually changed your Instagram username, and that is it.